Say bye to Photoshop because we are going to create flyers with just one click. You don't need to install any software. You don't have to pay for any tool. Many of you are facing issues with neural filters, installing softwares because you have low-end PCs. Well, I've got you a method that's going to help you out with just one click AI to create something that's very good and unique, and well, your client will never know that you used AI to create this poster. If you have a low-end PC, no, you don't need it because you can do this with your phone. You can do it with any browser. Well, let's dive into the video. Let me first show you something. If you look at this image of the client, you see it's the same with the posters. You get? So the client will never notice that we used AI to create or to generate this flyer. What are we going to learn in this thing? First thing first, you have to know it's done by mistake. You are watching this video. Please tap the subscribe button and please share, because I'm going to give you a method that's going to solve you, that's going to help you, that's going to save lots of money, and I know it's going to save much of your time. Anyway, let's dive into the video. First thing first, I've said please remember to subscribe, and it's a blessing that you subscribe. If you don't know me, my name is Young Don MC Donxtraboost. Call me Young25, anything you can call me. Let's dive into the video anyway. One thing, we are going to use ChatGPT and Gemini. These are the two tools we are going to use to bring out something like this. Let's start with the Donxtraboost poster. You can see here, let me first put the client's image here. So let's start with the Donxtraboost poster. I think you can see it's very simple, very simple. It's it's the same. Let's look at this person. I think you can see the person, he's the same. He's improved, everything is still the same. I think you can see the coat, the suit, every detail. I think you can see the watch. I think you can see the everything. I think you can see the person is still the same, and we've managed to remove the background, and well, we did everything with one click. When you look at the face, everything is still as it is in the original photo sent by the client without changing anything, the eyes, the nose, and anything, even the beard. Okay, how did we do this? First thing first, we are going to learn on how to prompt. Many of you fail with AI, and many of you think AI is not doing better because you don't know how to prompt. Let me first, I told you I'm teaching beginners, and I do everything as a beginner. You get my point? So listen, this is the important thing of prompting. As a beginner, what you do, you're going to go to Gemini, upload the image of the client. You get? When you go to Gemini, upload the picture of the client who, for example, the client gave you one image. Upload it. After uploading it, this is what the prompt you're going to put there as a beginner. I've finished putting it there. You can screenshot and copy it and paste. I said, analyze this picture. Remember, we are prompting as beginners. Analyze this picture and understand it. Get me a prompt to use in ChatGPT to generate me a professional human look birthday poster wishing William Chanjo, CEO Maurice, a happy birthday. With a sweet birthday wish, the poster must be one by one. No anything that shows it's AI made, e.g. I put the signs, emojis, etc. The poster should be unique, like from a professional design. Get me a full detailed prompt. The person in the image should not change anything on him. Body, size, face, details, etc. So this prompt is the one that managed to create this poster. It's the one that managed to create this poster, the one you see here on the side. Okay? So I want you to look close with what features do we have in our prompt. Though we are beginners, these features must not miss in your prompt, and I want you to understand prompting properly. Let me spend some time on prompting because it's why you guys make mistakes. And well, Gemini is not the one that's going to generate the poster. And well, watch the video properly. I said analyze the picture. That is very important to tell the AI. You tell the AI to analyze your picture. So when you give it a command of analyzing, it's going to look into that picture detail per detail. It's not going to miss any detail when you give it a prompt of analyze. Okay? Analyze this picture, understand it. It's a very important thing to tell the AI to understand, though you know it's going to understand. Then I said, get me a prompt to use in ChatGPT, okay, that make ChatGPT to generate me a professional human look. Not this, a professional human look. I didn't just say a poster. No, I said a professional human look birthday poster. Many of you make mistakes here and say to generate me a poster, a birthday poster. No, it has to be a professional human look, because the AI is wide in searching. If you don't give it specific words, it's going to miss out. Then I said, wishing William Chanjo a happy birthday. I mentioned the name of the client and CEO, a happy birthday. Okay, another important thing here in our prompt is sweet birthday wishes. If it is possible, it's better you put your birthday wish. It's better you first look for your birthday wish and place it there than just telling it a sweet birthday wish, because there are very many sweet birthday wishes and the AI may select any of its choice. So here is another important thing. The poster must be 1 by 1. The size of the poster is very important. Make sure you tell the AI which size of the poster you want, because if you don't tell it which size, it's going to generate what it wants, and well, it will come out like an AI poster. I want to do, it may be a long video, but let's learn prompting properly and finally we get the results. I'm sorry. Well, it's not by mistake to be watching this. Please remember to subscribe and visit our website www.Donxtraboost. Okay, let's continue. Then you tell it another important thing. Tell the AI to avoid, listen, know anything that show it's AI made. Here I'm telling it to avoid things that show it's AI. For example, I give example of these signs and the emojis because they show that it's AI, and I said etc extra in case I didn't mention anything here. The poster should be unique from a professional designer. You get me a full detailed prompt. Then here you come, you repeat the same, get me a full. Then the image should not change anything on him. Body, size, face, details, etc. So here Gemini is going to generate for you a good prompt. It's going to tell you, let's try to listen what Gemini got us today in this one. Let's play. Okay. Well, I think I'll do the scenario of the logo part another day, because I don't want this video to be so long. And anyway, let's do it in one video so that you don't make mistakes. Cool? Okay, so Gemini managed to generate for us a good thing. Here, let's play. Listen.
To get ChatGPT, using DALL-E 3, or any advanced image generator to create a professional, flawless, and human-looking birthday poster while keeping the...
Okay. You see, it managed to analyze. Here it's what, listen the prompt it gave us. Copy and paste, okay, it said, please use the man in the picture uploaded photo to create a professional high-end 1 by 1 square ratio. It mentioned, it listed everything. So after getting your prompt, what you're going to do, you're going to copy this prompt, put it in ChatGPT. You're going to copy this prompt. Let's copy it. Copy it and upload it to ChatGPT. Paste it. ChatGPT will manage to generate for you a professional poster. Well, let's go to a scenario of where the client gave you a logo. Sorry, let me go here. Let's go to a scenario. The video is going to be long, but I'm really sorry. Anyway, why don't we end this one here? Then we shall do a part 2 in another video. Cool? Anyway, let's just continue. So let's say a scenario of where a client gives you a logo and they give you their picture. Okay, so this is where we come out with this. You see this? where my logo is uploaded. This is Donxtraboost wishing. Nothing was changed in the logo, and happy birthday. Still, you're going to come to your Gemini. You tell it, okay, you have upload your image, your logo and image. You tell it the same things. You describe Donxtraboost, everything. Then Gemini is going to give you everything. You just copy and paste in ChatGPT. When you paste in ChatGPT, it's going to come out with a flyer that looks like this. Guys, I'm sorry I'm rushing, but let me hope you've learned prompting, and I think you can see the results we have got today. With that, allow me to say bye. You can comment in the comment section. If you're not satisfied with why the client gives you the logo, please comment down in the comment section. I promise I'll do something better for you. I'll do another video differently from where a client gives you a logo. Because if a client that doesn't give you a logo and you just list your things, you get, for example, like this one, you see the Maurice logo. It's not the original logo, but the AI had to improvise to put a logo so that there is no space and the poster is balancing both side by side. So guys, with that, allow me to say bye. Thank you so much. I sign out. But after exporting your posters, this is the most important thing, and we'll let the trick be for the end of the video. First, go and visit my website, donxtraboost.com. You see there are very many things we do. Let me show you. We boost socials, we help you grow social media, everything. And we also have services that you may need. It's not by mistake that you're watching this video. And well, you can see custom digital services for brands, creators, businesses. We can teach you how to build websites. We can give you website, mobile apps. With AI, we can teach you things you didn't know. Girl, the trick is after exporting your poster, so that the poster does not lose resolution, because the AI will never give you an HD format. You're going to get this thing and put it in Pixel Lab if you're using a phone, then export it in PNG and make sure it's ultra or high end. Then the poster will be in HD format when you export it. With that, allow me to say bye. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Subscribe, like, comment. Shout outs to everyone subscribing and sharing, and shout outs to everyone that loves me. You've been with me, guys. Please, if you feel I've saved lots of money for you, hit that super sticker, hit that super comment. I'm here listening and waiting for your feedback. Thank you so much. I sign out.